Hello good people and welcome back. A little bit of a different video today. This is going to be a new series about do-it-yourself, and the first task that I'm doing myself is actually really deep cleaning these floors that you see over here. They are oak, they are fabricated oak, I think the word is, so it has like a specific layer of protection on it, but they are dirty. Like, I'm not sure if you can see those lines. They're actually supposed to be white. And trust me, we do mopping. We had like a mop that the turn around twist. We had a flat mop. None of them actually was really cleaning well. And we have a dog that could be a part of the issue, which is walking over here right now. I was doing some research, aka asking ChatGPT about this specific product, but this one is actually not for floors, so be extremely careful what you put on the floors. Actually really interesting, it actually has recommended this one from its method. It's from ASDA, and it's an all-4 cleaner, and one of the reasons is because it's pH neutral, which apparently is very important. Now apparently this is a direct squeeze and squash on the floor, but I know how sensitive this floor can be, so I'm actually going to dilute it with a little bit of water, and the rest of the video is literally seeing me going with a little brush through all these lines and to see if we can get it out. But yeah, this is do-it-yourself. Hopefully this works. If you have other tips, let me know please, because I think we have to be doing this more often than the once in the 5 years that I live here now. Anyway, thank you. Okay, so quick verdict, yes, the methodology of going on the floor with a scrubber and really getting the elbow grease in, obviously that works, but it's a heck of a lot of work. So yeah, please, if you have any ideas on how to do this more efficiently, I'll definitely be open to that. But other than that, I'm kind of proud, you know, it's clean, it looks like a new floor again. Slap it.